Good morning, children. This is Sweta. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry class. Children, for January 1st, January 4th onwards, online exams is there, children. I think children. Now I give revision class for your online exam. So how many concepts we have, children? Syllabus. I think first unit 3 concepts. First concept terms in chemistry. Second concept electropositive and electronegative elements. Third concept valency. Now I give revision class, children. All of you listen properly. Don't write notes. Just listen. After class, you revise that concepts and you practice examples and worksheet bits also, children. Okay, all of you listen. First concept, terms in chemistry. Terms in chemistry. In first concept, terms in chemistry, already so many times we are learned. Terms in chemistry. First term, what is matter, what is element, compound, atom, molecule, mixture and atomicity. First we have discussed about matter. What is matter? Things which have mass and occupies space is called matter. Things which have mass and occupies space is called matter. Examples: sand, next food, chain. Everything is matter. Everything is matter. Note point. Everything is matter except radiation. Everything is matter except radiation. Except radiation. What is definition of matter? The substance which have mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything is matter except radiation. Next definition. Matter after element. What is definition of element, children? What is definition of element? An element is a basic form of matter which cannot take part by chemical reaction. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot take part by chemical reaction is known as element. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. Example: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. So many examples we have. How many elements we have, children? 180 elements. 180 elements are arranged in modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. How many elements we have, children? 118 elements. Next, element after. What is compound? A compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by weight. What is definition of compound? A compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by weight. What is examples of compound? Once again I repeat lesson. What is definition of compound? A compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by weight. For example, sodium chloride. A composed two or more different elements. This is one substance. Two or more different elements chemically combined with one and another in a fixed proportion by weight. Weight 23 sodium weight 23, chlorine atomic number 70, atomic weight 35.5, sodium atomic number 11, atomic weight 23, and chlorine atomic weight 35.5. Next example, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, carbon atomic number 6, atomic mass 12. Here how many oxygens is there, children? 2 oxygens. So that's why here 12 is to 16 2s are 32. Here 2 division 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32. This is ratio of carbon dioxide. What is ratio of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide? 3:8. 3 grams of carbon combines with 8 grams of oxygen to form carbon dioxide compound. Next here 23 grams of sodium combines with 35.5 grams of chlorine to form sodium chloride compound. Next example, water molecule H2O. How is find here H2O? How many hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number also 1. So how many hydrogens is there children? 2 into 1, 2. Is to oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8, atomic mass 16. 2 divide 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. So this is ratio of water. 1:8. 1 gram of hydrogen combines with 8 grams of oxygen to form water. Next, for example, hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid, 1 gram of hydrogen combines with 35.5 grams of chlorine. Okay. So, what is compound? The compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one and another in a fixed proportion by weight. Okay. Next definition, atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which takes part by chemical reaction is known as atom. Atom is a smallest particle of an element which takes part by chemical reaction is known as atom. H, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. So atom is the smallest particle of an element which takes part by chemical reaction. Next, atom. After that, molecule. What is the definition of molecule? Molecule is the substance composed smallest molecule, the smallest particle of an element or compound. It is independently existent and it can retain all the properties known as molecule. Once again I repeat, listen na, molecule, the smallest particle of an element or compound. It is independently existent and it can retain all the properties known as molecule. And the definition is there, same type atoms combined. Same type atoms, simple definition, same type atoms combined to form molecule. Atoms combine to form molecule. Same type atoms, for example, H2, N2, O2, Cl2, I2, Br2. So same type atoms combine. 2 hydrogens combined here, 2 nitrogens combined here, 2 oxygens combined here, 2 chlorines combined here, 2 iodines combined here, 2 bromines combined. What is the simple definition of molecule? Same type atoms combined to form molecule. Next, mixture. A compound means different type atoms combined to form molecule. Same type atoms combined to form molecule. Different type atoms combined to form compound. Here mixture. Mixture is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another. Chemically not combined. So mixture is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically not combined is called as mixture. Chemically combined is known as compound. Chemically not combined, mixture. Okay. Here mixture, for example, sand in water. Sand insoluble in water. So sand in water and sawdust in water. Sawdust in water and oil in water and air and another example, chalk powder. This is chalk now. Chalk powder in water. Those all are examples of mixture. Mixture is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined is known as mixture. Next, atomicity. Next definition, atomicity. What is atomicity? Number of atoms present in given molecule is known as atomicity. Atomicity definition, number of atoms present in given molecule. Number of atoms present in given molecule. present in given molecule is known as atomicity. Atomicity divided into some elements: monoatomic elements, okay, next diatomic elements, next triatomic elements, next tetraatomic elements, and octaatomic elements. Monoatomic elements example, noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay na? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all noble gases in monoatomic elements. Diatomic elements mean H2, N2, O2, Cl2, I2, Br2. Atomicity is 2, is known as diatomic elements. Here Roman hydrogens combine 2 hydrogens, here 2, all elements. So atomicity 2. Diatomic elements mean two atoms present in given molecule is known as diatomic elements. One atom present in given molecule is known as monoatomic elements. Triatomic elements and 3, O3, ozone. Next tetraatomic elements: P4, AS4, Sp4. Okay. Next octaatomic elements: S8, Se8. So first concept over nana. What is matter? The substance which have mass and orbital space is called matter. Everything is matter except radiation. Second definition: element. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot take part by chemical reaction. We know the element. Hydrogen example: hydrogen, oxygen, etc. How many elements we have, children? 118 elements. They are arranged in periodic table. Next definition: molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element. The smallest particle of an element. It can independently existence. It can retain all the properties known as molecule. And the definition: same type atoms combine to form molecule. Definition: examples: H2, N2, O2, Cl2, I2, Br2. Next definition: atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which takes part by chemical reaction. Hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Examples. Next definition: compound. Compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by weight is known as compound. Sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide. Sodium chloride ratio 23:35.5, water molecule ratio 1:8, carbon dioxide ratio 3:8, hydrochloric acid ratio 1:23, 1:35.5. Okay na? Next element: atomic mixture. Mixture is a substance composed two or more different elements chemically not combined is known as mixture. Definition: salt powder in water, sawdust in water, oil in water, and air. So one examples we have, children. Next atomicity. How many atoms? Number of atoms present in given molecule is known as atomicity. Monoatomic elements: noble gas element. Examples: noble gases. Diatomic elements: example: N2, H2, O2, Br2, I2, Cl2. Triatomic elements: example: O3, M3. Tetraatomic elements: example: P4, AS4, Sp4. Octaatomic elements: example: S8, Se8. Okay nana? Next second concept: electropositive and electronegative elements. First concept over. Second concept: electropositive and electronegative elements. Now we are discussing first electropositive elements. Electropositive elements. Electropositive elements. Definition: the tendency of an element to lose the electrons, to lose one or more electrons. What is definition? The tendency of an element to lose two or more electrons to form electropositive charge. Electropositive charge, for example, sodium metal. If lose of one electron to get electropositive charge. Positive charge. For example, example, magnesium. In magnesium, to lose out 2 electrons to get positive charge plus 2 charge. For example, aluminium. Aluminium lose out 3 electrons to get Am plus 3 charge. The lose of electrons. Lose of electrons to form electropositive charge. The lose of electrons. The tendency of an element to lose 2 or more electrons to form electropositive charge on it. Electropositive charge it. To lose of electron, the tendency of an element to lose 2 or more electrons attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Nearest noble gas electronic configuration to form electropositive charge. To form electropositive charge. Here sodium having 11 electrons. If lose of sodium having 11 electrons, if lose of 1 electron, here get 10 electrons. So which stable electronic configuration? Nearest noble gas electronic configuration Neon. Next, magnesium having 12 electrons. If lose of 2 electrons, here to get 10 electrons. So this is also attain noble gas electronic configuration Neon. Aluminum having 13 electrons. 13. If you lose of 3 electrons, 10. This is also attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration Neon. What is definition of electropositive elements? The tendency of an element to lose 2 or more electrons to attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration and to form electropositive charge is known as electropositive elements. Lose of electrons to form electropositive charge. All metals are having electropositive elements. Note point: all metals are called electropositive elements. Electropositive elements. All metals are electropositive elements. Metals mean first A group to fourth A group. Okay. First A group hydrogen. First A group elements hydrogen, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So first A group elements electropositive plus 1. Second A group elements lithium, beryllium, boron, lithium, barium, okay, beryllium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Second group elements. Third group elements boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Third group elements how many electrons lose? 3 electrons. Fourth group carbon, aluminum, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Okay, Nana. All metals are called electropositive elements. Next, electronegative elements. Second definition, electronegative elements. Second definition, electronegative element. The tendency of an element to gain 1 or more electrons attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration to form electronegative charge on it. What is electronegative elements, Nana? The tendency of an element to gain of electrons. Gain of electrons to form electronegative charge. Gain of electrons to form electronegative charge. To get the tendency of an element to gain 1 or more electrons attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration to form electronegative charge. To form electronegative charge. For example, nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number if lose of 3 electrons. Here negative charge means lose. If lose of in nitrogen gain of electrons. If a nitrogen to gain of 3, nitrogen atomic number 7. If gain of 3 electrons, 7 minus 3. So it get 10 electrons. So E an electronic configuration. For example, nitrogen, oxygen. Oxygen also oxygen atomic number 8. If gain of 2 electrons to get an electronic configuration, 10 electrons to get an electronic configuration. For example, fluorine. Fluorine atomic number 9. If gain of 1 electron to get 10 electrons. Fluorine minus 1. So here Fluorine -1 means 10 electrons to get near electronic configuration. Note point: all non-metals are electropositive. All non-metals are electronegative elements. Electronegative elements. Negative elements. All non-metals are electronegative elements. All metals are electropositive elements. Electronegative elements mean to lose of electron to get positive charge. That means electropositive elements. Electronegative elements mean to gain of electrons to get negative charge is known as electronegative elements. Okay, Nana. All non-metals are electronegative elements. All non-metals are electronegative elements. Okay. Once again, listen. So here all non-metals mean 4th year, 5th year group to 7th year group elements. Okay, what is once again I repeat Nana. First two concepts over. Next class we are discussed. I revise third concept. What is third concept, children? Valency. Okay. Two concepts over. Once again I repeat. Terms in chemistry we are discussed. What is matter, what is element, what is compound, what is atom, molecule, mixture, atomicity. Second concept, what is electropositivity, what is electronegativity. In first concept, matter, the substance which a mass occupies space is called matter. Everything is matter except radiation. Next, second definition. What is element? An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break apart by chemical reaction. Okay. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot take part. An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction is known as element. 118 elements we have. Next, compound. Compound is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by weight. Sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, water, hydrochloric acid. Next definition, atom. Smallest particle of an element is takes part by chemical reaction is known as atom. Next definition. What is molecule? Molecule is the smallest particle of an element. It can independently existence. It can retain all the properties is known as molecule. And the definition: same type atoms combine to form molecule. H2, N2, O2, Cl2, Br2 examples. Next, molecule after mixture. Mixture is the substance composed two or more different elements chemically not combined. Chemically combined compound, chemically not combined mixture. Sand in water, sawdust in water. Next, atomicity. A number of atoms present in given molecule is known as atomicity. Monoatomic elements, example noble gases. Diatomic elements, example N2H2O2 Cl2. Triatomic elements, example AO3 N3. Tetraatomic elements, example P4 AS4 AsB4. Octatomic elements, example S8 Se8. Second concept, electropositive and electronegative element. The electropositive elements with the tendency of an element to lose one or more electrons at a nearest noble gas electronic configuration to form electropositive charge. So that is electropositive elements. All metals are having electropositive elements. Next, electronegative element. The tendency of an element to gain one or more electrons at a nearest noble gas electronic configuration to form electronegative charge is known as electronegative elements. All non-metals are having electronegative elements. Okay, children, all of you revise two concept, first and second concept very well. All of you learn properly. All of you write properly exam. First today work first and second concept learn properly concept and practice worksheet bits also. Okay, Nana. Third concept I revise next class. Third concept valency. All the best, Nana. Thank you. See you next class.